Alright, and then for the last steps we're going to assign the quiz into the class and then collect data from the gradebook. So to assign it, we have this quiz right here. We'll go to quizzes and then it'll be under my quizzes. So then we can assign this. I'm going to do it to class 2. That's the one with our professor in it. There's all these different options, anonymity, stuff like that. And then it's just some details, like I can say it's best attempt, first attempt, unlimited. So they can save it for later, all these different things. And then I would press done, and it's assigned to my class. And then I can go to grade, and then so I can see the grades. I can see that I took that, and I'm able to come in here and collect data from the gradebook, so I can see what questions he got wrong, and then overall summary. This would be, the summary of all the data, percentage of questions, the median, mean, high score, low score of everything. Yep. And then here's reports, and you can do all this stuff, all the different kind of stuff to have a summary and a report.